Hi guys, it's Sharon, and today I'm going to be doing a Yandy unboxing. I'm going to cover like my stuff, but they sent me a gift card online. They emailed me a gift card, and I am always in the mood for lingerie shopping. I love shopping. I ordered this, and I'm so excited. So this was like, actually I think it was like $50, so I only paid for shipping, which is awesome. So I ordered a corset. It's supposed to look like this. Hopefully it looks like that on me, because I'm so small and things just don't usually fit me right. But I have a good feeling about this because all their stuff looks stunning. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys. This is what it looks like. I had to put my hair up because, I don't know, the pink hair was throwing me off so much. So it fits really well. This is what I was concerned about. It has this tie thing in the back, which you don't really have to use because there's like clips here, so it's just like you can unclip. The only thing is the boobs are a little, this is like a little long. I might have to like trim it because it doesn't like really show my boobs. But other than that, I love it. It came with these little clasps to attach to like your stockings from here, so that's cool. I'll probably do a shoot, like a photo shoot in this. I just have to like style it better, and I have to adjust the straps and just like figure out my life. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of these videos and if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys next time.